this is what we got done so far today. 3 10-foot posts in the front, 3 8-footers in the back. We're working on getting the beams laid out here for the top braces. Got rope line. I gotta go get my handsaw and square that up. A little bit rainy on and off here, so we've been held up a little bit, but rain has stopped for now, so check in later. Well, we got the back beam in, as you can see. Got her joined. We'll be able to put a angle brace, help support it. Got the front beam laid out there. We're losing daylight here now. It's getting on towards 6 o'clock. Rain's come back in, so we're putting away the tools here. Trim some of the brush back from in behind because it'll get in the way with the roof. So we're gonna get that rest of that burnt out, and we got more in behind the ladder there. Get that hauled in and start fresh in the morning. But slow and steady here. Well, we're getting her hauled out. Rainy, damp, so good time to be burning her up. Well, we really got her going good now. So much so, embers flying in the direction of my wood piles. I had to cover up the ends of my wood piles. Yeah, and reclaimed quite a bit of land there around the mill. So, oh well, away she goes.